How's it going, everyone? Before the bell ends, I want to talk about a ticker named Ryme. I've been watching this one for a while. I've been very patient on it. I alerted in the Discord, as you can see, the swing trade alerts. We're putting real money in this. We're gonna we're gonna see if we can get this thing going because it meets all the system requirements. And I think when the algos get attention to this thing, they're gonna pump it up. So end of day alert is Ryme. I bought it here at 267, right? It's at 272, still good price. And what I think is going to happen is when I'm looking at the bigger picture of this, a lot of these prior RS, which it had a 1 for 200, it was pretty big reverse split, so they definitely got above that $1 mark. But a lot of these reverse splits will go and pump pretty big. But you have to make sure that when you get into one of these, you want to give it about a week. And that's what I gave Ryme. I gave it about a week of it not touching of after the RS, and then we're not touching the EMA5 in a very long time. And I'm looking at this, there is no tremendous gaps on Ryme for this not to touch the EMA5 very soon. I mean, look at this. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To me, that's pretty long. The only downside I see is, yes, the K value is 8.26, but I can't go totally on that. My main thing is EMA5 time distance. We had a prior RS, so we got all the negative news out. A lot of people have been bag holding this thing and haven't got a break. As you can see, this thing has been just going down and down and down. This thing hadn't had any slightest of the pump. We were way up here, $67 after the RS, and we're back down to $2. This is one of my most favorite stocks that I think can go in. It's also based in Lauderdale, Florida, United States, dealing with the computer, phones, and household electronics. I love sticking with United States companies. They tend to work better for me. But Ryme, as you can see, too, just using basic technical analysis, not even using my system, you can see that we're making a higher low type of pattern here. We kind of consolidated right in here, and we've stopped going down, right? You can see we had this big move down, big lower wicks, meaning, that the bulls are in control, tries to go down again, lower wicks, good again, and then we're just kind of slowly inching up. I think this is going to get that big move here very soon. So I wanted to, hurry up and release this video. I like to do my swing trades at the end of the day. That way it gives me plenty of time to now analyze it, whereas the minute the market opens, it can be kind of hard because it moves so fast, whereas at the end of the day it's more peaceful. I really like this. This is my most favorite setup, guys. Ryme, I'm looking to go. I'm already into it. I'm definitely going to keep accumulating the dips. These 260s were just absolutely golden. And could this be the bottom? We will see. But I do know that this looks very attractive, and a lot of people that are looking for bottom reversals, this is the system that I use to take it. Of course, we're not at this lower band. We're not going to touch this lower Keltner channel. It's a negative number. So we can just completely ignore this Keltner channel because, remember, anytime the stock goes up big, like this, and then goes down big, the Keltner channels are going to be very spread out, and we should all know that price is not sustained up in here. So if you ever bought Ryme up in here, just never buy a penny stock when it pumps, especially when the EMA 50 is at the very top. Every downtrend stock is going to get shorted. It's just the nature of the game. These things get shorted very fast because they're in a downtrend. And you can clearly see price can get above the EMA 5, which is our first target. It can go above it, but a lot of the times it will go down. The reason why I like this is not only because an EMA 5, these are one of my best. I love EMA 10 potentials too. If you look at this stock, 113, not touching the EMA 10. And if you guys know my system, this is going to make you super happy. We haven't touched the EMA 5 and it's or EMA 10 and it's February 14th, which is this yellow band. So not only do we have an EMA 5 target, it gives us way extra room to get that EMA 10 of at least 42%. That is very conservative. I think so. And obviously I'm personally looking for at least 10%. I told someone in the chat, they're like, hey, what's the price target? To make it in simple terms so nobody misses out on gains and gives plenty of room of the pie. Always take the 10%. I'm going to sell 80% of my shares. And then, so since I got in at this price here at 267 that I alerted, I'm going to hold 20% of my shares at 267, which is my break even. So that way, if Ryme wants to go and pump all the way to this EMA 20 or all the way to this upper band on the Keltner channel, not really likely, but if it does, I take advantage of that. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trail my stop every 10%. So if Ryme goes up 20%, I'm going to trail it up 10% and see how high I can get this thing. Okay. So here's the first target is EMA5. It's going to get hit. It's going to get hit very soon. I mean, this is definitely due. The chart pattern says everything about that. At least 13% where we all can make big money. I think we go higher than the EMA10. I personally think, or higher than the 5. I personally think we hit this EMA10, this yellow line. And that's going to be really the juices. And like I said, every price, no matter how crappy this stock is, reversion to the mean is a must. I preach on that. And this is why this is my favorite strategy, because when price comes down, you can see like right here. Here's your EMA20, this blue band. Price comes down, goes to this lower band, comes back to the 5, rejects, comes back to the 5 and 10 and the 20. But if you can see, we're rejecting at these crucial areas. The 20 reject, 10 reject. We don't know which area is going to be the, is going to reject. Well, but we do know the first level of target is always the 5, and that's a conservative gain. And if you sell for your 10% and then you hold at break even on the rest, you can keep, seeing if you can get to those next levels. And I mean, look at this massive gain from here to here. This is a 130% gain. Look at this. We had time distance away from the 5, so we can at least get that 5. We start taking our profits as price goes up and up and up, and a massive win. And so that's really what I'm hoping for this stock here. I think this is, everything looks great to me. It looks like an oversold type pattern. Now, trading is done for Monday, so there is no trading. So this is definitely a stock that I think when everyone comes back, I think everyone's going to be hyped in and ready to be a bull and really get into these kind of things. All right, so my most favorite stock, my number one penny stock. I was in 3 other trades, and all went well today. We made big money on VLCN, made over 10%. DATS, I made over 10%. Icon, it pumped 20% for my entry. So I made all these alerts I made today. I told everyone on Friday I would like to sell a lot of my trades coming into Friday, as it could be nasty. Long weekend, a lot of people selling off. So, but I want to position myself into Friday towards the end of the bell, which is right now. It's 2:42 p.m. Eastern, and that way when Monday or Tuesday comes, people are going to be eager to get in, and this thing can make a rapid big pump. All right, guys, this is my most favorite trade stock to get into. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. If you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. All right, this does not mean you're a member yet. And like I said, and I'm giving this promotion to everyone, we are looking to increase the price of the Discord. And but what I'm planning on doing is giving you a discount promotion for watching this video. If you're struggling with Ryme, you couldn't understand, where to buy the bottom. A lot of influencers were promoting this. I totally understand. You probably got into this way up in here at the $20, $15, and just kept going down and down and down. And this was essentially a falling knife. With this strategy, we don't catch falling knives because we wait for EMA5 time distance. I look for a consolidation pattern, a higher low type pattern, and everything looks good, right? And using this conservative system, we know price has to revert to the mean. EMA 5 and 10 are your targets. This can easily make us nice gains, all right? But yeah, you will learn this strategy. You will learn many other strategies that I do on how to trade with the trend. This is how to trade against the trend. If you want to subscribe, all you have to do is read how to subscribe. But basically, you can just hit day trade alerts right here or click this channel over here, and you get access to all my memberships, swing trades, and day trades for an all-time low of $12 a month. You won't regret it. It's very affordable, and you're going to get access to all the tools on how to be a successful trader. And not only will you get alerts sent directly to your phone, you're going to get everything with the educational content, everything that you need to be a successful trader. Because the difference about this Discord and others is, one, I'm giving you, guys, the skills to how to fish. And there's a lot of people that got massive money on FTEL as what? FTL is running big today. Where did FTL kind of like stall out? Near the EMA 5. MVRX was alerted in this system right here. We had this massive EMA 5 time distance touching this lower Kellner channel, and we go all the way up from $3 to 39 cents. These are just some of the tickers that this system can catch, where you're not just guessing on is this the bottom. You understand a thesis of what's going to happen. You understand where to start your entries, right? So this is my analysis for Ryme. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's always there for you. For this promotional month, you guys can get an all-time low discount permanent as long as you stay in the Discord. We're looking to increase it next month, but you can get it for $12 a month. If you subscribe on your computer, you can avoid the iOS fee, okay? and it will be straight 12 bucks. If you're from another country, not from the United States, they might charge you 15 or $16 because of a currency exchange rate that's processed through Discord. But no worries, you're going to be locked into this discount forever, and we're looking to triple the price coming into March and April. But because a lot of this is getting a lot of demand, I do a lot of one-on-one coaching that comes with the service. I do live streams, which you can see right in here. I go live. We had a lot of people coming in, learning how I do the charts, how do I look for trades, and it's just an all-around overall community. So Ryme, let's see what we can get going, guys. It is right now at 271. Very good price right here. I can see this 15-minute making an uptrend here, and we're going to see what we do from here. So expect a massive pump. It's got kind of lower volume, but 500,000, it's not too bad. To me, it's pretty good. I mean, we've had, decent around 1 million. So once this catches up over 10 million volume, we'll be up that EMA 10 very shortly. All right, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, share it to your friends. This is how I catch bottom reversals and make big money, and how to catch precise entries. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.